Hey guys, welcome back to TVL Design. So today I decided to recreate a doggy sweater that I made. I'm not even sure, it was last winter. So I decided to cut up the one that I made previously because I could not remember what pattern I used to make it. So yeah, there we go. We're going to use some plastic folder as our template, right? So I took that item and I folded it in half. This one is for a small pup. So yeah, I decided to tape the fabric down to the plastic to create a template, stencil, whatever you want to call it. So when I'm cutting it, I'm going to add about a good inch seam allowance, and definitely when I go to sew it, I'm going to probably add another inch as well because the pup has, grown quite a bit. So I'm just upcycling what I have. And so this is the front, and it's kind of cut like a peplum. And so, not peplum, high-low. So this is like the front part. So as you can see, that's how it looks. So this is the back part, and I fold that in half as well. And I'm going to get another piece of folder and cut it up. And these folders I found on clearance. So yeah, I'm going to fold this again in half and tape it down best way I can because I don't want it to shift while I'm cutting it. Okay, and as you can see, I'm going to add some seam allowance on the front of it, the sides, basically pretty much all the way around. So with this one, I noticed that it would still be the same length. And of course, like I said, the pup grew. So I'm going to increase the length a little bit more with my pattern. And of course, when I sew it, I'll probably add a little bit more to it to make sure it fits. So I'm going to grab one of these random pieces and put it to the bottom and tape it, making sure that it's wide enough. And then I'm going to center my pattern and I'm going to cut it to create a little bit of longer, I guess you could say a little longer tail for the back of it. And as you can see, this is how everything is cut. If you need to make any modifications, like right there in the corner, that way when I sew it together, everything come back perfect. So yeah.